Canada is a popular destination for travelers who want to enjoy its natural beauty, cultural diversity, and friendly people. But getting a visa to visit Canada can be a hassle for some people, especially if they have to wait for months or pay high fees. That's why Canada has introduced the Electronic Travel Authorization (ETA) program, which allows eligible travelers from 13 countries to enter Canada visa-free for up to 6 months. This means they can skip the visa application process and just apply online for an ETA, which costs only $7 and is valid for 5 years. The ETA program is a great way to make travel to Canada easier, faster, and safer for everyone. It also benefits Canada's economy by boosting tourism and business opportunities, as well as strengthening ties with these 13 countries. But who are these lucky travelers who can enjoy visa-free access to Canada? And what are the criteria they need to meet? Here's everything you need to know. Which countries are eligible for the ETA program? The ETA program was launched in 2016 and initially included more than 50 countries, mostly from Europe, Oceania, and Asia. In June 2023, Canada added 13 more countries to the list, making it even more inclusive and diverse. These are Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Costa Rica, Morocco, Panama, Philippines, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Seychelles, Thailand, Trinidad and Tobago, Uruguay. Travelers from these countries can benefit from the ETA program if they meet the following criteria. They have either held a Canadian visa in the last 10 years or currently hold a valid United States non-immigrant visa. They are traveling to Canada by air, not by land or sea. They are staying in Canada for less than 6 months, for tourism, business, or transit purposes. They have a valid passport and a credit or debit card to pay the ETA fee. How to apply for an ETA? Applying for an ETA is very simple and quick. You just need to visit the official website of Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, and fill out an online form with some basic information, such as your name, date of birth, passport number, email address, and travel plans. You also need to answer some questions about your health, criminal history, and immigration status. The whole process takes about 10 minutes and you will receive an email confirmation within minutes. You should apply for an ETA before you book your flight to Canada, as you may be denied boarding if you don't have one. You should also print out your ETA confirmation email and keep it with you when you travel. Once you have an ETA, you can use it as many times as you want within its validity period, 5 years or until your passport expires. However, you still need to comply with the Canadian immigration rules and regulations when you arrive at the border. An ETA does not guarantee your entry to Canada, it only allows you to board your flight. What are the benefits of the ETA program? The ETA program has many benefits for both travelers and Canada. Some of them are: it makes travel to Canada more convenient and affordable for eligible travelers, as they don't have to go through the lengthy and costly visa application process. It enhances security and screening at the border, as it allows IRCC to pre-screen travelers before they arrive in Canada and identify any potential risks or threats. It reduces the workload and backlog of visa applications at Canadian embassies and consulates around the world, allowing them to process other cases more efficiently. It increases travel, tourism, and economic opportunities for Canada and the 13 countries involved in the program, as it facilitates more visits, exchanges, and collaborations. It strengthens the diplomatic and cultural relations between Canada and these countries, as it shows Canada's openness and goodwill towards them. The ETA program is a win-win situation for everyone who wants to visit Canada without a visa. If you are from one of the 13 countries that can enter Canada visa-free for up to 6 months, you should take advantage of this opportunity and apply for an ETA today. You will be able to enjoy all that Canada has to offer, from its stunning scenery and wildlife, to its vibrant cities and multicultural society.